Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing good. Now, if you have been following my videos, you know we have had a blast exploring the amazing world of Swag Kids. Today, I have got something special for you, the path to becoming a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Yes, you heard it right. More swag and amazing opportunities coming your way. But hold on, there is a twist. Pablo just dropped the news about a new way to apply for the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors program. It's a whole new ball game, and I'm here to break it down for you. First thing first, who can become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador? Well, if you are a full-time university student from anywhere around the world, you are in luck. The doors are wide open for you to join this incredible community. And trust me, you are in for a treat. Now, here is the exciting part. The Student Ambassador program is shaking things up. It's transitioning from an application based model to a registration based model. What does that mean for you? More accessibility to cutting edge AI tools and technologies. It's all about empowering you to achieve more, aligning perfectly with Microsoft's mission. So, why should you consider becoming a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador? Well, apart from the incredible community support, you get access to a treasure trove of tools and technology. Let's not forget about the most important part. The swag game is strong with this one. Enough talking. Let's get into the thing. I'm going to guide you through the steps to kickstart your journey as a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So without further ado, let's dive in. So let me take you to the Student Ambassadors Program Handbook. So this is accessible only for the ambassadors, and it is not accessible by anyone other than ambassadors community. So here is everything which is required for us to know about. So let's jump into the registration part. So here is everything which we need to know about the Student Ambassadors Program registration. They have mentioned that they have transitioning from the application based model to the registration based model. So there is one special thing for the students who register for the Student Ambassadors Program on or after January 9, 2024. They will need to revise admission requirement to become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors, and these requirements will involve the pre-identified activities that align with their interest and skills and include items such as building AI-driven solutions, leading community events, and sharing content on social media. Finally, the registered member who will meet the activity requirements will be invited to become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. And once the invitation is accepted, they will onboard to the program and earn the official title, certificate, and benefits of Student Ambassadors membership, along with their @studentambassadors.com email ID and access to Microsoft Teams. So now let's move to the registration overview. So how someone who are interested in becoming a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, they can visit on their microsoftambassadors.com website to get started. So let's go to this website. So it will land you to the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors registration page. What you need to do here is to click on the Get Started. So if you do not have account on the Microsoft, you need to create an account for you, in which it will ask you for your country, birth date, verification. So once you will complete with creation of your account, you will land on the registration form, where you need to accept the privacy policy and everything. So the registration form will include some personal information along with your name, country, gender, and your social site, along with your academic institute information. So after filling out your academic institute information, there will be some registration questions which you need to address on, and some additional information, and just hit the submit button. After you register for the Student Ambassadors program, you will be invited to join the Microsoft Student Developer community on Discord, and in Discord you can complete community activities that align with your interest and skills to become a student ambassador. So the registered members who meet the activity requirements will be invited to join the Microsoft Student Ambassadors program quarterly. So in the Discord, you will need to select a program path and complete pre-identified activities within this path to become a student ambassadors. These activities might include sharing content on social media, hosting cloud skill challenges, and referring student startups to Founders Hub. Also, you need to complete the technical training or technical onboarding, and it will be conducted by a cloud skill challenge and will provide the foundational knowledge required for building and growing AI driven solutions with Microsoft AI and cloud technologies. The cloud skill challenge will cover AI concepts including generative AI, Azure AI service including Azure OpenAI, and business concepts to launch a startup. Here is the thing: the registered members who complete program path requirements and technical training will be invited to join the Student Ambassadors program. Invitations will be quarterly. Once the invitation is accepted, students will be on board on the program and earn the official title and every benefit which is offered to the Student Ambassadors. So now let's talk about the program paths. So it will align with 3 broad interest and skills category and empower students to focus on what matters to them. Registered students select a program path and complete the required activities for this path to become a student ambassador. So the 3 paths are community influencer, community builders, and startup advocates. Community influencers want to grow their online presence by creating and sharing Microsoft content to attract wider audience, and they need to complete the technical onboarding and each of 2000 unique visitors to Microsoft website using their contributors ID. Next is community builders, and they want to grow their leadership skills by hosting community events highlighting Microsoft technologies, products, and services. And to be invited for the Student Ambassador program, community builders require to complete the technical onboarding and reach 1500 net new cloud skills challenge module completed under their contributor ID. Next on our list is startup advocates, and they will going to grow impact by promoting AI driven solutions and startups building with Microsoft AI and cloud technologies. To be invited to join the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program, they need to complete the technical onboarding, refer 30 accepted applications to Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub using their contributors ID. So this is about the program paths which you can choose to be invited for the Student Ambassadors program. And there you have it, the roadmap to become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. It's not just about swags, it's about being part of an incredible community and gain access to tools that can shape your future. If you are a full-time university student, don't miss out on this opportunity. Thank you so much for watching till here. See you in the next one.